All right, hi, this is John Modene with RE/MAX Masters, and I want to help you learn more about real estate here in Northwest Ohio. Today's topic for my NWO Real Estate Update is what do swimming pools do to home values? Another great question, and thank you, Bill, for sending that one in. Number one, swimming pools in Northwest Ohio real estate are an absolutely foolish thing to spend money on. The season is too short. Some years with a late spring and an early fall give you less than 90 days of swimming fun. And that's it. Compare that to pools in southern climes where they have 2 or 3 times more swimming time and fun in the sun times. It's foolish. It wastes dollars. It's not a good investment. But number two, isn't it true that some buyers pre-select only houses, John, with in-ground swimming pools and pay more, much more for them? It is true. In-ground swimming pools are in demand all of the time, winter, summer, spring, and fall. And I believe that's more important and more true now than ever. Number three, why? Well, if you have a house without a pool and you price out installing a nice, improved in-ground pool, saltwater, freshwater, heated, unheated, it doesn't matter. You might want to see your cardiologist before you look at the bid when it arrives. Home pool contractors are having a fun time giving prices out. They take a long time to complete, a long time to bid. They have a lot of risks associated there's a lot of risks associated in hiring your contractor, and you'll get a price you will not believe. So the logic on this subject goes like this for me when it comes to resale value. If you want a pool and you can afford one, get it. Either pay for it with your house, which is a great buy, or if your house has room for a pool, put it in. If you can afford it and you want it, put it in. Enjoy it. Even if it's a cold year with bad weather and not many solar days for swimming, you will still love your pool. And if you can afford it, you will more than recoup the cost when you or your heirs sell your home. It is a positive factor as long as you take care of it in home resale value. Also factor in every extra expense, however, before you pull the trigger on a new pool. Plan for fencing. You've got to secure it. Plan for annual maintenance and unplanned maintenance. Plan for increased heating costs if you use a gas-fired furnace for it, and increased insurance costs. And, of course, there's always more with pools: chemicals, furniture, kids' swimming lessons, etc. It is not cheap. It's not a smart investment, but it is a great extra addition to any home. Your kids, your grandchildren, they're going to enjoy your pool more than you do. And it will be a positive value factor when we price your home and you want to sell it. A lot of people can't afford to put a new pool in, but they can afford to buy a house with a pool, and that increases their demand. Hey, the real estate market is constantly changing. It never stops, and we do things today in marketing and selling homes that were impossible 20 or 30 years ago. So my team is always changing too, and ready to help you and your family get the right help for your real estate problems. Our team motto is simple: a tradition of trust in Northwest Ohio real estate. The tradition of trust ethos works. It's based on proven biblical concepts. Always tell the truth. Treat others better than you would want to be treated. And we can't wait here at the Modene team to help more people buy, sell, manage, and grow their real estate holdings. Thanks for watching. If you need help, if you have real estate questions, if you want to sell or buy, you just have to call John. I'm at 419-466-SOLD. Check us out at 466sold.com, or check out every house for sale at mlstoledo.com, and all my properties at modene.com. Thanks for watching.